Make sure not to forget to use my exclusive Climax doll $50 coupon code. Save $50 on your next Climax doll. This coupon code is only valid for Si60 series and all J60 series. So make sure to use your exclusive $50 off your next Climax doll order. Thank you. What is going on, everyone? I am Collector78 and welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today I am back with a new review. I will be reviewing this J60 red colored silicone mini doll. This is a one-of-a-kind collectible that you would only find from Climax doll. She features a very interesting one-of-a-kind head sculpture by the name of Masami. This is the only place that you will find this doll, the only review online. So come with me and let's review this very interesting J60 red colored mini silicone body. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, so this is what the box looks like. This is when you will receive your package from Climax doll. It features some lettering here, do not store upright. Some other information, obviously your name would be on top. I get questions asked like how big are these 1.3 scale 60 centimeter mini silicone bodies. They are not that big. They weigh between 7 to 12 pounds depending on the body that you are ordering. But I show a front shot of the box. This is what will show up once you order your doll. And I get questions like, besides how much they weigh, as I mentioned, 8 pounds. This is how much this body weighs, 8 pounds. And the box itself measures from side to side, 24 inches from side to side. And it measures from top to bottom, about 8.5 to 9 inches from top to bottom. I get questions asked all the time. How do these bodies come? So the box obviously is made from very high quality cardboard, so your body will arrive undamaged and very secure. So let's open her up. Stay tuned for that. Let's open up this red color J60 body here from Climax doll. I'm using just a generic knife here. I'm gonna make sure to get the corners first. Okay. And this is what we have here first. Upon opening the box here, Climax doll did include a red colored short wig. I will not be using this wig here. I have one of my own wigs that I will be using. But this is the wig that comes included with Masami. That is the head sculpture with this body. I'm going to remove this wig from the net, the hairnet. It helps secure it and keeps it in place. So this is a red, burgundy, reddish wig that comes with Masami. So we get that first. I will not be using this wig, but here is a wig that comes included with Masami. That is the name of the head sculpture. Okay. Put this to the side. And we have some clothing. Identification sticker up front, J60. And looks like some generic clothing. Looks like we have a skirt and a top. I will not be using this clothing. I have some of my own clothing that I will be using. But this two-piece clothing set comes pretty much standard with almost every body that you will be receiving from Climax doll. Here's a skirt, the top, and a photo of what the clothes looks like with your doll. Okay. Here's some instructions on how to properly install the head. Usually they include an orange tool here to open up the head cap. Step number 2, you set the head down on the body. Step number 3, you have to use a flying plastic nut to secure the head onto the body. And step number 4, you close the head cap. Okay. And here's some instructions. Notice English, looks like Korean, and Japanese. Okay. Here we have some plastic wrapping This is used to make it easier for you to dress and undress your dolls. They give you a generous amount of this plastic wrapping. Put it on her hands. That way you can slip in t-shirts, dresses, things like that. So they include this. Okay. And here we have the head. So I'm gonna open this carefully and get this open. One thing you should know is that everything you receive is very carefully packaged. This is a sheet, a styrofoam sheet that they secure your head, and they take it a step further by also having a plastic case for your head. Here she is. I'm going to remove the plastic. Here is Masami, and she is great. One of a kind head sculpture, one of a kind head that I have never seen before. But here she is. Look at those beautiful red eyes, eyelashes, the face up, beautiful eye marks that she has here. It's made out of silicone. It's not made out of plastic. It's made out of silicone, soft material, very rubbery. Here she is. We're going to screw that onto the body. So let's open up her body. Stay tuned for that. Here's Masami. Beautiful head sculpture. Wow, very interesting. Okay guys, so I'm going to remove the body from the box. I'm going to remove the box here, get that out of the way. That way we can focus on this red J60 Mini Silicone Anime body. And here we have lines of air-filled bubble wrap here. We have some additional, looks like sheets of styrofoam underneath and a soft blanket. So as I mentioned, this company takes it an extra mile, making sure that your 1.3 scale doll arrives safely. Cut a little bit here. Cut there. This helps loosen the tightness of the body. We use tape all around. So here is these lines of bubble wrap. Here's the sheets of styrofoam that they also use. Usually on this side here, they will pack your body with the feet towards this side and the actual head on this side. Okay, so remove the feet. Okay. Here is the body. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a view of her front and shot. Stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so I laid everything down. Hopefully this is a wide enough shot to show everything that is included with this red colored J60 silicone anime body. This is the head, Masami. She kind of reminds me a little bit of Brian Pulido's Purgatory. Those of you who read comics like I do know that she's one of my succubus, one of my favorite vampires, Purgatory, blood-sucking vampire. Look at that beautiful one-of-a-kind head sculpture, Masami. There she is. Love that little dot here on her eye. And as I mentioned, all this stuff here I reviewed, the clothing set, the wig, and the wrapping to make it easier to undress your body. That came in handy. I used a little bit from when I have another one that I opened from one of my other dolls. This one's sealed, but I have one that's open. I used it, sure enough, to help undress and dress your dolls. And without any more interruptions, this is the J60 body. Here she is. This time I put some clothes on her because I got in trouble last time with one of my other reviews. It got taken down, it got flagged for some reason. Obviously, I'm just trying to review things that I have in my collection, but I guess YouTube is very strict on things I can and cannot show. So here she is, and I'm gonna give her an elbow test. She is made out of silicone, very, very soft skin. Her body is very posable, very soft, and it's not heavy. It's everything that came in the box weighed 8 pounds. So I'm thinking the body itself is about 6 pounds. It's not heavy. It's easy to move around, easy to pose. Here I'm gonna give her a knee test here. I'm gonna hold on to her torso. See that? Easy to pose. It's made out of silicone, so it will stay however you decide to pose her. But here she is. Notice that her feet are painted as well. Looks like a black paint that they used. Same thing with her nails, black paint. Obviously, I cannot show anything past what I am allowed to show, but here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and put on her head, so come with me and let's get her head installed too. Okay, so let's go ahead and install her head. This is really simple. Obviously, all you have to do is just screw it on. Make sure you just have that proper fitting. Gotta move it around. It'll tell you immediately when to start. Gotta just sit it down correctly. Oh, right there. That's it. You can kind of feel it as you go in. There it is. And the head is on. There is Masami. And I am going to do some side shots and front shots, so stay tuned for that. Here is Masami. Okay guys, so let me know what you think of this Climax doll, J60 red colored silicone mini doll. This head sculpture here is Masami. That is the name of her head sculpture. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you will order your very own Masami Redskin J60 silicone anime doll from Climax Doll. Keep in mind that there's an additional fee for any extra red coloring bodies that Climax Doll produces. I believe it's an additional $40 charge to produce this body. They're not cheap to produce, so obviously that's why they charge an extra fee for producing red colored bodies. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you will be notified whenever I have new reviews on current stuff that I own. I have all sorts of great collectibles, and what better way for me to show them to you, my YouTube subscribers. So make sure you support me and my channel, Collector78. Once again, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next review. Collector78, have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.